How to recall mail in Outlook mobile app. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Basnat, and today I'll guide you or explain you on how you can recall mail in Outlook. Now if you open up Outlook here, I'll just show you up quickly and tap on the profile icon that you'll find at the top left corner of your screen there, and then tap on the send option. You'll be able to see all your sent messages. Now unlike on the web browser, if you tap and open up on the mail that you have sent, and if you even tap on three dots that you'll find at the top right corner, you can see that there's various options, but there is no any option to recall mail. Now unfortunately, the Outlook mobile app doesn't give you an option to recall the mail through the app. So what you'll have to do is you can do so on the browser. You want to open up your browser, and there what you want to do is you want to go ahead and open up the mail that you have sent and double tap on the mail, and you'll get the option to recall. So recall or resend, so simply tap on recall and you'll be able to recall it. So this way you can recall mail in Outlook. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.